Alright, so went a different route this time. Wanted to do an unboxing on one of these. I don't really know much about the Redcat Ascent, considering it's been all axial so far when it comes to the crawler side. So let's get into it and see what all comes with it. I'm really curious about it. Picked it up at Hobbytown RVA, as I do with most of them. So let's go. All right. Guess everything's in here. I like the look of it so far. Let's see what else comes with it. You've got a couple drive shafts, charger, looks like some extra body post potentially, stickers, and your controller, which looks very close to the same as the original controller for the Bronco. Same controller. So I like that. Actually really like the look of that. Not as much the wheel. Okay. Cool. Alright, so comparatively to a stock Bronco of 24th scale. So yeah, Axial 24th scale, Redcat 18th scale. Let's line up the back wheels. Definitely a little longer, a little bigger, not too much though. So this is a clipless body, so let's see how the body goes on. Okay, so it's just that, and is it just it's the same in the front? Okay, it just slides out in the front. That's nice and simple. Put that back. Alright, so I do like the look of it. Comes with a 2S, a 750 milliamp LiPo. It's a pretty stout little battery. Okay, ESC is back there. Good bit of flex. I'll give it that. Let's compare it to most modified of these. Okay, so stock, it has just about as much travel as one of my fully modified 24th scale. It's good to know. Get batteries put in it, into the controller, get this battery charged up, and I'll do a comparison video, or I'll do a comparison showing how it does compared to the Axial smaller ones. Though those wheels would look good on there. Might have to think about that. so those wheels are basically the same size. Alright. I do like the ported axles. I don't know why I said ported. Portal axles. I like the setup. It looks really clean. And then I do have these hot racing. They're actually for the Traxxas 18 scale, but they look like they will work just fine. So I'll put these on here, see how much of a difference it makes. Alright. Yep, get the batteries put in and let's do a crawl. Alright, so we're gonna test out that Redcat Ascent. I'm gonna do some crawling across the snow. See how it does. Good shit. I've driven this one. I was doing my review test drive. This thing actually does pretty well. We're gonna come in. Yeah. Okay. No. I mean, it does. It's actually a lot faster than I was expecting for. Yeah, this is the first one of these I've bought, and all the others are Axial, so I wanted to see. But this thing's actually quick. It's got a good crawl. Wow. It's not as choppy as some of the others. Quite fit under the water. Yeah, I'll fix the big truck. The size difference really is